So this year I decided to get a better vacuum since those little bugs weren't working too well in our pool. Because we would get these big huge leaves and it would get sucked up in that little hole and it would like kind of suck in on itself and break the vents in the back and over time. So this one is the Dolphin like robotic one. It's got like tracks on it. And it actually climbs up the wall. I first put it in, it backed up and literally was climbing up the wall. Let's see, it's like literally climbing up the wall. And then it gets down, it floats down, and then it goes back down. So that's pretty cool. And it's got a wider suction thingy to put stuff in the basket. So it's like long, so it runs over the center. It actually sucks up the leaves. But I may have to pull it out sooner because this is leaves from the entire winter sitting in there. And it's 30 degrees and I am not going in no damp water. Just grab some leaves. But yeah, it's sucking up some of the leaves. So we might have an actual better vacuum. This one actually just plugs into power. Turn it on. Power it. Literally just push a button. You have a long lead. We have a 24-inch round pool, so it should be plenty. And we're going to see how well our vacuum works on our really dirty pool from all the leaves dropped in the past 2-3 months. We got a lot of leaves in there. And it's doing a pretty good job because that pile has shrunk that was in the center. Got more grip power being a track robotic vacuum. It's doing wheelies over the leaves because there's so much. My beautiful night pool. The vacuum does an awesome job keeping it clean. I didn't go out here during the day to video it, and it's been raining for 2 days straight now. So I'm a little overfilled on some water. But the vacuum literally cleans everything up off. Cleans the algae, the slime, all the leaves. It's got such a wide vacuum on it and the grips on it. Oh, I got a leaf down there. I see it. It's been 2 days though. But it's very clean. Does a great job. I would definitely recommend this vacuum. It's expensive, but I would recommend it for the above ground pool.